Today we're going to talk about what it means to sell a cash secured put. We're going to use Amazon as an example. So first, the transaction. You are the seller. You are selling the option buyer the right to sell you 100 shares at a given price. The given price is called the strike price. So the strike price in this case is $180. So in turn for you selling somebody else the right to sell you their shares at $180, even if it falls well below $180, you are going to be handed what is called premium. You get this premium immediately. You don't owe it to anybody. It is yours. It's instantly in your account to spend it, use it, withdraw it, whatever you want to do. And what that means is you are now under contract to purchase those 100 shares of Amazon on the given date if Amazon hits that strike price or falls below it. Caveat there is that in the US, most options contracts can be assigned early, meaning that even if, say, 15 days, for example, prior to the expiration date, Amazon were to tank well below 180, there's a chance you were to get assigned early and you would be buying those 100 shares at $180. So let's talk about the potential outcomes. There's two outcomes here. First, Amazon price stays above $180. Well, that's great. You keep the premium. The shares are not assigned, which means you don't need to buy them, and you just made yourself $300 on, basically putting up $18,000 as your collateral that you were going to need to buy 100 shares at $180 if you were to get assigned. The second outcome is Amazon price falls to or below $180 and you end up getting assigned. So now you are required to actually purchase the 100 shares at $180. There's also things we can talk about in the future, such as rolling. You can actually roll your contract into a new contract. You can buy back your contract, so you don't need to actually buy the 100 shares. But for right now, we're going to talk about this perfect example where you purchase the 100 shares at $180, and you still get to keep the $300 premium though, which is awesome because it means that your cost basis is now $300 below the $180 total strike price. So instead of $18,000 being your cost basis on the 100 shares, it's actually $17,700.